Today is day 4 of me getting my hair done every single day until they shut TikTok down. Can y'all believe that this is not a frontal? This is my real hair left out in the front, real edges. Yeah, clock that. Let me show you how my stylist Chanel turned that V-part deep curly unit from Nadula into a flip over method. Maybe I finally had to take them braids down. I just did not feel clean. Seeing all that gook on the top of my edges after getting fresh out the shower, smelling like baby powder, it was not very appealing. So I went ahead and combed my hair out last night, and I thought this was the perfect time to try out this V-part wig that Nadula Hair sent me. I sat under the dryer so I could dry any of the braids that got wet during that washing process so we won't have no mold up under this V-part. That's why y'all wigs be stank. Now you're going to clip the V-part unit from ear to ear, but Chanel sewed it down on certain parts so it wouldn't look bulky at the top. Now, if ain't nobody going to tell you, I'm going to tell you, getting this hairstyle hurt so motherfucking bad, and Chanel was putting her heart and soul into it, bitch. This hoe was 3 centimeters from my face. Baby, Tuscaloosa, Alabama ain't playing. Chanel got my edges this slit with nothing but a hot comb and a prayer. Mind you, she still hasn't added any heat to my actual leave out, just my edges. And look how versatile this style still is. But please don't skip this step. Spiral curl your leave out so it can match the deep wave texture. And face frame the V-part unit so it can match your face and look a little bit more natural. Taking your time and spiral curling all of that leave out is really the most important part. That's what's gonna make it look the most natural. Don't add no water and grease and think it's gonna match. No, you look oily. This style is way easier than ordering all those deep wave bundles, getting them glued into the back of your head, sewed into the back of your head. Baby, all you need is this V-part deep curly wig from Nadula. Just clip it into the back of your head, clip it off, take it off when you want to. You can even sew it down for extra protection. It even has a drawstring in the back so you could pull it as tight as you need to if you don't feel like sewing it down. Click the link in my bio if you want to purchase this V-part deep wave unit from Nadula. Baby, I look like a grown woman. God is good. Day 5 up next.
Nadula.